Still trying to fix your parents' phone over a call? Meet NanoKVM-Go. Remote wake, unlock, control any USB-C devices. NanoKVM-Go. Help your family from anywhere. Still worried remote software will go down with the system? Meet NanoKVM-Go. Reliable hardware-level control for any USB-C devices. NanoKVM-Go. Your workspace always within reach. Still trying to make your AI agent insightful and useful? Meet NanoKVM-Go Plus. Full screen context, human-like automation. Screen time lapse. Offline screen memory search. Share screen memory with your AI agent. NanoKVM-Go Plus. Let your AI agent see, remember, and act. NanoKVM-Go. World's first AI native 4K USB-C KVM. Control any USB-C device from anywhere. Securely access your devices from anywhere. Sleek, swift, sharp, and AI agent ready. NanoKVM-Go. Work remote, flow smart.